Hi, I'm Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts. Today, we're going to give you a couple of quick tips on how to open a car door that's been frozen shut overnight. The reason the door froze shut, most likely, is because the water or moisture got onto this rubber gasket. When you closed the door, there was water between the gasket and the car, and it froze together. If we try to pull the car door open, we don't have a whole lot of leverage here, and there's a good chance we can rip the handle right off the car. If we can open another door, it would be a good idea to get in and push from the inside. If we can't open any of the doors, we may have to take and somehow heat up the door. We could use hot water, we could use a hairdryer, we could use some isopropanol, which is alcohol, that will displace the water. But one of the best ways is not to let your door freeze at all. Before the door freezes, or before the weather turns bad, we should always coat our rubber gaskets with a spray silicone sealant. It'll displace the moisture and won't let our car doors freeze together. If your car's door lock should become frozen overnight and you can't turn the key because the door lock is frozen, a couple of things we can do. We can get heat into there. We can heat the key. If you just took your lighter and heated the key slightly, stuck it in the lock, the tumblers would warm up, the ice would melt, and then we could turn our lock. That would be something to do in an emergency. The best way is to squirt lock deicer, which is an alcohol-based solvent, into your lock. A good tip to keep your lock from freezing is to lubricate your lock regularly. Use some sort of a lightweight grease. This grease will displace the moisture and keep your locks from freezing. And these are a couple of quick tips about frozen doors and frozen door locks. I'm Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts.